Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to block ads on YouTube. So whenever you play any videos you will see many ads, many annoying ads on YouTube. So you can block ads on YouTube. So what you have to do to block ads on YouTube? There are two methods by which you can easily do this. First one is you have to go into the web store in Chrome. Okay, and now here you will see Chrome web store. Just click on it and here you have to search for an extension ad blocker. Okay, now just click on it ad blocker. Just click on add to Chrome and add extension. Okay, so when you click on add to Chrome and add extension, it will be downloaded in your Chrome extension. Okay, so now you will open this and you will see that like this, please wait while filtering database is loading. Okay, like this, and after that you play any video on here. If you play any videos here you will see no ad. Okay, and you also see no sponsored ad is here. So like this, so I'm going to play any video. Okay, like this, that
Happy
okay,
birthday to
like this,
you.
or I see to any other video I
तो
will not
दोस्तों
see
कई
any
साल से
ad here. Okay, so it is turned on. So you will see that here three total blocked ad is 9, and here you will see block ads on this website youtube.com protection is enabled. Okay, like this is first, but sometimes when I turn it off, you will see when I turn it off you will see that there will be ad.
If you're about 30 and not making one,
this is the ad. Okay, when I turn it on again
तो
you will see no ads. Okay, like this
तो
you can
दोस्तों
block
कई साल से
ads.
मार्वल
You can block ads on Google Chrome in YouTube. Okay, so you can you stop ads or block ads in YouTube like this. So if you like this video, please like my video, also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks.